Today you're going to see Murdeshwar Shiva temple like you have never seen before. If it's on Google, it should be in my channel. I've come here before a year and a half back, but I didn't shoot in the evening. And in the twilight, when I'm shooting this is the view that you get to see. That is just before the sun totally sets in. If you come, you can see this kind of a background behind you. When the lights are lit up around the temple, it just looks beautiful. If you're going to go ahead and see this, no matter where you are, you will start praying. You will pray, correct? That's where the Lord Ishwara is there. Shiva. He's got so many names. I'm proud actually. The creator is what people can talk about. Anyway, good. Have a look at this and look at Shiva, how he looks when the light is on him. The artificial light, when sun rays fall on him, how does it look? That also you will see, but not tonight. How can you see tonight? You have to see tomorrow. So wait for that, because early morning I will come. Try to catch it, because Shiva is almost facing east, but not exactly east. I don't know why it was they built like this, because I believe this is the tallest Shiva temple or second tallest Shiva temple in the world. This is what I've heard about it. But the beauty that which you can capture, you will not believe that. You can come out with very creative shots, but it still won't be enough. That's the GoPro that they don't talk about, not GoPro, GoPura. Okay, you can climb on that. How can you climb? By only lift. Okay, you can get to the top of the thing, but there you can see through kitiki. Kitiki is with a window, small window. Okay, you will get a better view as such, but not like the way you are seeing now. If you've gone there, you will understand about it. Okay, for those who have not gone, I'm telling you, it doesn't look like what you can see now. That is what I'm capturing. I'm telling you, you'll not believe. I had another 20 minutes of footage, but I deleted it for simple reason is I just wanted to show you, maybe the best of it, but different angles. Looks beautiful. At the moment, that GoPura, they're actually trying to paint up and all that. So if you go in the morning, you will see all that railings and I don't know what they call. Okay, that what do you call that? Scaffolding or something like that they do call. Okay, and you will see that. But look at this view. Okay, it's kind of dark, and I'm quite worried that I would want to take more and more shots, but I'm worried that my little darling might get entangled or crash into any of the poles or electric wires. That is why my drone is a little higher up. Otherwise, if I had to take it down and shoot it, it would be even more beautiful. Even more! Trust me. But enjoy this. How is this? How is this for a change? Beautiful. Worth a visit, right? You should see this twice. Once in the morning, once in the evening. Okay? If you come a little later than what I've shot, okay? After the sunset, you will not be able to get to see the sea at all. You will not see that sea is on both the sides. The beach are on both the sides. You will not get to see this. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes, it calls for, please come. Karnataka is blessed with beautiful beaches. I'm telling you, if you come, we start exploring. How will you explore? If you don't go, you can't explore. At least you can see my channel. Because whatever you'll Google, it'll be on my channel. Correct. Once you see it, definitely you will come. Look at the Nandi there in front of the Shiva. Beauty. That's his vehicle, Vahana, they talk about it. It's just beautiful. It's just, I don't have words for it. I really don't have words for it. Correct? So you'll be waiting for tomorrow, because I'm going to shoot in the daytime and see how that is going to look. Hopefully that will look good as well. Hopefully. Isn't it? Okay, there are many things that you can do. If you come here, you can go to Netrani Island for scuba diving. Okay? It's worth it. You don't think about, see, if you're on a trip, you can't be miser. You can't think about, I'll save some money. Save and do what? Go to the next trip and save there also and don't do anything. But to tell people that I've been there. What is the point of being there if we don't enjoy it? If we don't see everything? Don't experience everything. Correct? Now, actually, I by mistake or by accident I captured this. There is a pond kind of a stuff here. Okay? Which Accidentally, I caught it, which turned out to be actually great. Look at this. Just look forward. Look ahead. That's the one I'm talking about. Beautiful. So I'll see you tomorrow in the same place. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Bye.